In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to decide your comp on the TFT or Teamfight Tactics. So the first thing that you would like to do, of course, is just go and open your TFT or Teamfight Tactics game in your PC if you have it already downloaded. If you don't, you'll have to go and download the right client, and if you don't even have the right client, you'll have to go and download that through whatever browser you're using. Here, I'm using Brave. Of course, in your case, you can use whatever browser you're using. Once you open that browser, go to the URL section, type one of those, type download League of Legends, or download right client, or even download TFT. All of those will take you to the same link, which will download the right client. Of course, once it downloads, normally it will be opened automatically, but if it's not, just go and open it up, and you will find yourself at this home screen or this main screen. Of course, here you will find the games that's already installed or downloaded into your PC. If you run Teamfight Tactics or TFT, just go up the top, but if you don't, you'll have to scroll down until you find TFT here. Click on it, and at the bottom left corner, click at this three dots. Here you'll be able to download TFT in League of Legends if you are using PC, or in App Store if you're using an iPhone, or even in Google Play if you're using an Android. Of course, once it's downloaded, just go up the top, and they'll ask you now to log in into your account. Of course, it will open through the League of Legends because it's included in League of Legends. So if you have an account, just go and log in into it. But if you don't, you'll have to go and create one. You can do that through whatever browser you're using. As we said again, just go back into it and type here create a Riot client or a Riot Games account, and that will create an account for you. Of course, with that account, you will be able to play all those games, all Riot games of course, and you will find yourself on your client. So just go and find the TFT match for yourself. Then you'll find yourself on something like that, a board of TFT like that. Here, as you can see, you would like to decide comp as we said. So there's two options. The first option, if you don't want to use you don't want to use your browser or something, you can just go and see whatever champions like appearing here in your shop and decide from here. But if you don't want to do that, you can just go back into your browser and simply type here best TFT comps, hit the enter button, and go maybe to the first link. No, not this one. So just whatever something like hard like this, including just letters, do not get into it. Let's just try the second one. So yeah, as you can see, this is much easier. You can just go and open a comp, click at open guide, and you can see here they are telling you what champions to go. And from here you can decide the comp that you want to go, and you'll be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. Of course, make sure to choose the S tiers comps because they are the strongest and they will give you the win. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.